In April 2015, a magnitude 7.8 earthquake struck Nepal, rupturing the Himalayas and shaking Kathmandu to its core. As plates slipped, aftershocks followed, triggering avalanches on Everest and devastating landslides that buried roads, temples, and homes. Shallow focus quakes and brittle rock exposed how urban planning, building codes, and emergency response gaps amplified casualties. Aftershocks persisted for weeks, complicating rescue and delaying relief amid cold nights and scarce water. The lessons: endure retrofit structures, strengthen early warning, and coordinate rapid local aid to save lives next time.